If you need to set an A3 size document in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're creating a poster, a report, a project sheet, or a printable design, changing your page size to A3 is very easy once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word. You can open an existing document if you already have one, or create a new blank document if you want to start from scratch. Once Word is open, you'll want to look at the top menu and click the Layout tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps all of the page setup options, including margins, orientation, and paper size. After you click Layout, look for the Size button. This is the option that lets you change the document's paper size. Click on Size, and you'll see a list of different page formats appear. In that list, scroll until you find A3. If you see A3 listed directly, click it. In some versions of Word, it may show as A3 with the dimensions 29.7 by 42 centimeters, so choose that option to make sure you're selecting the correct paper size. Once you select A3, your document will immediately switch to that size. At this point, you may also want to adjust the orientation of the page depending on what you're creating. If you want your document to be taller than it is wide, go back to the Layout tab, click Orientation, and choose Portrait. If you want a wider layout, choose Landscape instead. This is especially useful for posters, charts, presentations, and large tables. After that, take a quick look at your page to make sure everything fits the way you want it to. Because A3 is larger than standard page sizes like A4 or letter, your text and images may reflow slightly after the change. That's completely normal. You may need to reposition a few elements, resize images, or adjust margins depending on your document layout. And that's it. Your Microsoft Word document is now set to A3 size. It only takes a few clicks, but knowing how to do this can save you a lot of time whenever you need a larger page format. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.